The shoulder joint is a huge joint in the body, therefore it will have many movements available to it. As shown on the table, it gives the main muscle roles of the joint, showing how many muscles are actually needed for this movement to be successful. Say you're a cricketer and you want to bowl a cricket ball, your shoulder joint is needed much for that spin and power. Therefore, all these muscles will be used as you are throwing that ball. The shoulder joint is a ball and socket joint, therefore there will be many movements towards it as this type of joint allows many movements. For example, in flexion in the shoulder joint, the agenus will be the anterior deltoid, the origin will be the acromion of the scapula, the insertion would be the deltoid of the humerus, and the antagonist would be the latissimus dorsi. Here we have the radio ulnar, the elbow, and the knee joint. These joints are very crucial for movement, especially for sports. If a gymnast wanted to do a stunt, then they would use all these joints in order to complete their stunt successfully. Here we have the hip joint. When playing a sport like football, you would need this hip joint, as using flexion with the hip will make you able to kick the ball properly. Also, when extending your hip, the agenus will be the gluteus maximus. It would originate from the ilium, the insertion will be the hamstring, and the antagonist will be the iliopsoas. Finally, we have the spine. The spine is the huge bone at the back of our body that keeps us basically standing up. The spine can provide rotation, extension, flexion, and lateral flexion. These are all very crucial for being able to stand upright and be able to turn and bend down, as the spine is responsible for most of these movements. When doing a serve in a tennis match, your spine will be extending up to get the most power and hit the ball as high as possible.